Acids, alkalis, and the pH scale. What makes a substance acidic or alkaline? Acids are substances that taste sour. They release hydrogen ions, H, when dissolved in water. Concentrated acids, such as hydrochloric acid, are highly corrosive. They can damage metals and potentially cause burns on the skin. Laboratory acids are far too dangerous to taste, but you've tasted some weak acids, such as vinegar and lemon. Alkalis, on the other hand, feel slippery. They release hydroxide ions, OH, in water. Alkalis are bases that dissolve in water. A base is a substance that neutralizes acids. Note that not all bases are alkalis, but all alkalis are considered bases. Like acids, concentrated alkalis are corrosive and can damage metals and human skin if mishandled. Alkalis are often used in household cleaners. Can you name examples of alkalis found at home? When acids and alkalis mix, they neutralize each other, forming salt and water, a process called neutralization reaction. Solutions can be acidic, alkaline, or neutral. We differentiate them from one another using indicators that change color when introduced to the solution. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline a solution is. A pH 1 means highly acidic, 14 is extremely alkaline, and 7 is neutral. Indicators commonly used in the laboratory are litmus, universal indicator, and phenolphthalein. Let's examine how the litmus solution indicator helps identify acidic and alkaline solutions. Litmus indicator solution turns red in an acidic solution and turns blue in alkaline solutions. Did you know that red cabbage juice can also be a pH indicator? How does it help identify acidic and alkaline solutions? Acids release hydrogen ions, H, in solution, typically having a pH less than 7. Alkalis release hydroxide ions, O, and have a pH greater than 7. The pH scale helps us measure the acidity and alkalinity of solutions. How would the world change if common household liquids like tap water suddenly turned into strong acids or alkalis?